Hey, so here's Taimi, which is LGBTQ plus dating and chatting app. So yeah, to install it on iPhone, just tap Get and just search for this app on in App Store. So this is the app in association with Attitude. You can also have like live streaming, and there are elements of social networks. There are like gamification elements, your popularity and stuff like that. Uh, then you have like subscriptions here and in-app purchases. So probably maybe it's like one of alternatives to Grinder dating app. Uh, and then you can just create an account either with Apple, Snapchat, Facebook, and stuff like that. So hope this quick overview was helpful.